Good morning. We'll start session 2 with chapter playing with numbers. So in yesterday's session we just understood about the reversing of 2-digit, 3-digit number, just in a brief understanding and explanation part. Then we solved few numericals based on the puzzle type, where the alphabets were given, we have to replace it by numbers. Today's session, a last session on chapter playing with numbers, because that is on test for divisibility. Now test for divisibility, when we talk about, how do you check whether the given number is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. These are the basic numbers. 7 we usually don't, because we just see the multiples and we just come to know that it is divisible by 7 and the further numbers and so on. Now we all know for 2. How do you know the given number is divisible by 2? If its unit place is even, or if its unit place is multiple of 2. Even we say, if its unit place is 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then it is divisible by 2. Very simple. All even numbers are divisible by 2. You can either tell that, right? Divisibility by 3, if the sum of the digits is divisible by 3. For example, now 24 is divisible by 3. Of course, now see here. 243, I will take one number. When you look at this number, this is not okay. I will write in this form. 342, when you look at this number, of course it is divisible by 2 because even number. But let me check the condition for 3. 342 or 243? 3 plus 4 plus 2. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes. The given number is divisible by 3. If the sum of the digits is divisible by 3, then the number is divisible by 3. The same thing we apply for 9. 342, we got answer as 9. If the sum is divisible by 9, number is divisible by 9. But just look at this. 24. 4 plus 2 is 6. Is 6 divisible by 3? Yes. Number is divisible by 3. That means numbers which are divisible by 3 need not be divisible by 9. But the numbers which are all divisible by 9 are also divisible by 3. Only few numbers. But after 9 addition onwards, they are divisible by 9. So all numbers which are divisible by 3 are not divisible by 9. And all other numbers which are divisible by 9 are always divisible by 3. Now comes 4. So 4, when we talk about, we always check the units and tens digit. In a given number, if units and tens digit is divisible by 4, then the whole given number is divisible by 4. 5, the ending digit should be 0 or 5. It is divisible by 5. Very simple. 6. What are the factors of 6? 2 into 3. So the condition is the given number should be divisible by 2 as well as by 3. The number which I had given you, that is 342. Divisible by 2? Yes. Divisible by 3? Yes. Because 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That means a number should be an even number. Along with that, the sum should be divisible by 3. Then it is divisible by 6. Now 4 and 8 will go again hand in hand. So 4 is units and tens. 8 is units, tens and hundreds. If last 3 digits are divisible by 8, the given number is divisible by 8. Then 10, of course, the last number should be 0. Only then it is divisible by 10. 11. Now whenever we talk about 11, we always talk about a palindrome number. Now what is a palindrome number? The number which reads the same from left to right and right to left. Say 121, 1441. So these are all called as a palindrome numbers. Generally all numbers which are divisible by 11 are palindrome numbers only, which reads the same from left to right and right to left. Those are divisible by 11. Condition. But there can be some other numbers also, some random numbers given. How to check the divisibility? We always group the numbers into odds and even, right? 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. These both are equal, divisible by 11. Let us just give one random number. 2, 8, and I'll give you here is, or I will give here as 6. 4 I will give you 0. I know that this number is divisible by, it's an even number, of course, divisible by 2 as well as by 10. But still I want to check whether it is divisible by 11 or not. 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 0, 6. Divisible by 11. Check if you want. 11 2s are 22. So 26, 4 remainder. So 11 4s are 0. Right? So this is divisible by 11. So this is how we check for the divisibility. No. Then we have a 0. Okay. So usually we check for the divisibility of the 11 by this pattern. So I think it is very clear. You need not write it. You can just go through for the divisibility test and the rules which are given in your book. We'll begin with an exercise now. Exercise, first one, all are very simple actually. If 21 by 5 is a multiple of 9, where y is a digit, find the value of 5. Solution. If the number is divisible by 9, then 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 plus y should be a multiple of 9. What all values y can take here? It's a only one digit number it can take. What values? If I put y is equal to 0, no. Y is equal to 1, yes, because 8 plus 1 is 9. Let y is equal to 1. So what I will write here now is 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So a multiple of 9. Any other possible condition, children? Now what should be the next number I have to get? 9. 9 2s are 18 I have to get. Not possible here, right? Therefore, y value is 1. Sometimes it can take more than one value. Sometimes it can only consider 1. Because it's a unit place. Only one digit is possible. I can't write some other digit there. Similarly is the next one. I will only rub the things which I don't want it here. Okay. Second question they have given 31Z5. 31Z5. If the number is divisible by 9, then 3 plus 1 plus Z plus 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus Z is also multiple of 9. Already 9 is there. Let Z is equal to 0. So 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5. Count. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiple of 9. Then one more value you would like to give here. 9 plus what? Now 9 plus next number is 18. So Z can take 9 only. Beyond that it cannot take. Z is equal to 9. 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5. 9 plus 1, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18. This is further written as 1 plus 8 is equal to 9. Multiple of 9. Any more possibility? No. Therefore, y is equal to 0 and 9 are the two numbers which can be possibly fit into divisible by 9. Oh sorry, z is equal to, right? Yes. Z is equal to we go for. Next one, you will find two answers they have given here. Okay, third one we will check now. So next is (24x) is a multiple of 3. Find x value. If the number is divisible by 3, then 24x, that is 2 plus 4 plus x, 4, 5, 6, 6 plus x is a multiple of 3, right? First of all, 24 is multiple of 3. Let x is equal to 0. 2 plus 4 plus 0 is equal to 6, multiple of 3. 6, the next number should be what? If I have to get, so 7 will come if I add 1. So 7, 6, 7, 8, I can take 9. Therefore, let x is equal to 3. So 2 plus 4 plus 3. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Multiple of 3 possible. Let next value we will check. X is equal to 3. 4 if I take 10. 5 if I take 11. 6 if I take 12. X is equal to 6. So 2 plus 4 plus 6. 6, 10, 12. That is equal to 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Multiple of 3. Any other values we will check. So 6 over. So next value what we can check here is 7 if I put no. Then 9 if I put, how much will I get? 15 will I get. So let x is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 plus 9. 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 4 is 15. 1 plus 5 is 6. Multiple of 3. Any more possible values? No, because it's a single digit number. We can't go beyond that. So how many values x could take? 0, 3, 6 and 9. Right? Similarly, we have a last one which we will do it. With that, we also complete this chapter, playing with numbers, as well today's session. Fourth one. 31z5 is a multiple of 3. Where z is a digit, we have to check. So, a number to be multiple of 3, a number is divisible by 3 if 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5 is equal to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 plus z is multiple of 3. This is the same old question what we had in the beginning. They had given it for 9 and now I have given it for 3. I want you to take this for homework. I have written down till here. I'll tell you the values orally. First of all, 9 I have. That means it can take 0, right? Second, what it will take? 9 plus 3, 12. Then 9 plus 6. Then 9 plus 9. Over. 0, 3, 6, 9 are the values, right? So this sum you can mark it for homework, children. Also go through, there are some worked examples given on the whole chapter, like even those puzzle numbers as well as the divisibility test. Read those conditions for divisibility as well. Can be also asked for 1 mark MCQ. You have some extra questions also given in the question bank book. Solve that so that you will become more perfect in this chapter. So with this we complete the chapter playing with numbers.